my ADLM membership, I have gotten the opportunity to network with so many key individuals in the laboratory community.
There's a much larger pool of individuals here and allows for a different networking experience.
ADLM has been a huge help to me to my career, and I would really hone in on the concept of connections and interacting with people. You hear the cliche that it's all about relationships, but it is so true, so true.
It's really exciting that we're working with the Canadian Society of Clinical Chemists, and having them at our meeting every couple of years, it allows us to tap into this expanded network of individuals and talent.
The ADLM Annual Meeting is an opportunity to get high quality continuing education. You get to see all laboratory vendors in one place, and you get the opportunity to network with your colleagues from all over the country and even the globe.